Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about quadratic equation by factoring. To find the solution of quadratic equation, actually we have three methods: by factoring, by completing the square, and by using the quadratic equation. These three formulas, it's depend upon sa given na quadratic equation kung alin sa tatlo ang applicable. This time, itong given na quadratic equation ay applicable yung factoring na pwede nating ma-find ang solution ng quadratic equation. Pag hindi, ay other methods ang gagamitan, which is the completing the square or the quadratic equation formula. This is called quadratic equation because using equal and the exponent is 2, which belongs to quadratic equation second degree. Okay, let's find now. We're going to factor this quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, we will use two parentheses equals to 0. One factor, first here, what is the factor of x squared? So the factor is x and x because x times x equals x squared. And the next factor is the third term. What is the factor of 8? So we have to list down. By listing method, we're going to, what are the factors of 8? So 8 times 1 equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8. Okay, no more. So that's the factor. So ngayon we're going to estimate 4 plus 2 equals 6. But this is negative. We're going to analyze. For example, we will use negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Okay, possible. Then we're going to check the sign. Negative times negative equals positive. Okay, possible now. So our sign is negative 4 and negative 2. Okay, let us check again. Negative 4x. 4 times x equals negative 4x. Then x times negative 2. Negative 2x, then negative 4x, then negative 2x equals negative 6x. Okay, now next step is we're going to equate by 0, then x minus 2 equals to 0. Then transpose x equals positive 4. Then transpose the 2 becomes positive 2. Then that will be our answer. We have in quadratic equation we have two answers. And sometimes these two answers, one of this is not an answer, and that is called extraneous root. Okay, let us check our work. Here it is. The value of x now is 4. This is squared. And minus 6, the value is 4. Then plus 8. Equals 0. 4 times 4, 16. Then 6 times 4 is negative 24 plus 8 equals 0. Then positive or plus 16. Okay, 16 plus 8 is positive 24 minus 24 equals 0. Then minus 24 minus 24 equals 0. Okay, check. So 4 now is a solution. You have to check also for the value of 2. X is 2. So have exponent and the x is 2. We have 6, the exponent, the value of x is 2, plus 8 equals 0. And then 2 times 2, the exponent is 2, so 2 times 2 equals 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 equals 0. So 4 plus 8 equals 12, minus 12 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Okay, therefore we have two answers. The x now. So therefore our solution set now is 4 and 2, because based on our checking, 4 and 2 are possible solutions. So that's the answer for number 1. Okay, let's try to number 2. Since it's quadratic equation by factoring, we will use 2 parentheses. Then you have to find the factor of negative 2x squared. Negative 2x and x. Then check again, negative 2x times x equals negative 2x squared, correct? Now what is the factor of 28? We're going to list down the factor. So listing method, 28 times 1 equals 20. Then 14 times 2 equals 20. 4 times 7 equals 20. Okay, yun yung mga factor. So, mag-analyze tayo. Kailangan mag-next yung sa middle. 28 plus 1, 29. Kung 28 minus 1, 27. So, this is not the answer. 14 plus 2, 16. 14 minus 2, 12 lang. Okay? So, 14 times 2 here, or maybe here is the correct answer. Kasi 7 times 4, 28. 4 plus 7, 11 lang. So, maybe 14 times 2. Let's try. Positive. So, positive yung 14. Then, positive yung 2. Because positive times positive equals positive. Positive plus positive equals positive. So, reverse lang yan. Okay, let's try to estimate 14 times x, 14x. Negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. Unlike sign, so 14 minus 4, 10x. So, possible. It's correct now. Next is we're going to equate by 0. Negative 2x plus 14 equals 0. The other one is x plus 2 equals 0. Then transpose negative 14, then negative 2x, then divided by negative 2x both sides, and the answer is x, and this one is also positive 7. Here we have x negative 2. Okay, let us check if this 2 solution now is the solution of quadratic equation, because there are times one of these is extraneous, meaning not the solution. That's why very important to check the answer. Negative 2x squared plus 10x plus 28 equals to 0. Then negative 2. Let's try for value of x is 7. Then squared plus 10, 7 plus 28 equals to 0. So negative 2, 7 times 7 equals 49. Then plus 70 plus 28 equals to 0. Then 49 times 2, okay, we'll use this space. 49 times 2 18 carry 1, 98. We have now negative 98 plus 70 plus 28. 70 plus 28 equals 98. Okay, 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Check. So therefore, the value of x is 7 is correct. Possible solution. And the other one is about if x negative 2. We have to check. We have negative 2x squared plus 10x plus 28 equals to 0. And negative 2. The value of x now is negative 2 squared plus 10 negative 2 plus 28 equals to 0. Then negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4. Then positive negative become negative 20. Here is positive 20 equals to 0. 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 20 plus 28 equals to 0. Combine this equals negative 28 plus 28 equals to 0 minus 0 equals. So therefore, the x and negative 2 and x equals to 7 is the solution set. Is the solution set now of the quadratic equation 7 and negative 2. It's the final answer now. Okay, I hope you understand how to find the quadratic equation by factoring. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.